JDS's Hassan candidate Prajwal Revanna is in trouble over sexual abuse allegations. Deve Gaura's grandson, he may face expulsion now amid what appears to be the biggest scandal that has rocked the state. Sources reveal that JDS is considering removing Prajwal from the party. Deve Gaura likely to make the final call. Prajwal Revanna, along with his father, H.D. Revanna, have been booked over alleged sexual abuse of their domestic help staff. Now, while there are many videos circulating, which means there could have been many women victims, but one 47-year-old woman who has worked as a domestic help with the family has alleged years of sexual abuse and harassment by the father Sando. She has filed a police complaint. It has been turned into an FIR. Karnataka government has ordered an NSIT probe, following which Prajwal Revanna, we are told, has left the country. He has fled the country following these charges. FIR accessed by India Today, the details show that he assaulted the victim in a storeroom at the house and then threatened her, instilling fear in all the female staff. In her complaint, the victim claimed that Prajwal and his father, H.D. Revanna, used to sexually assault the women staff workers in their home and then threatened them into silence. It didn't stop there. While these are allegations, the FIR mentions that he even tried to flirt and sent sexually explicit messages to the victim's daughter as well. These are charges, and Prajwal Revanna has denied these allegations. For now, SIT is currently investigating further. Anaga Keshav joins me for the latest on this. Anaga, you tell us how precisely is this situation escalating? He's left the country. Is that confirmed? And what is the family saying? What is H.D. Kumaraswamy said on this? Because eventually this is all Deve Gaura's family. It's a prestigious family of Karnataka.
Well, Pooja, it is true that Prajwal Revanna has fled the country. He's in Frankfurt right now. This morning when we spoke to H.D. Revanna, he confirmed the same. He, in fact, defended his son fleeing the country. He said that, this plan, this foreign trip was already planned. It's not like Prajwal Revanna left the country after a complaint was filed against him. These tickets were already pre-booked is what H.D. Revanna said. And Pooja, remember, one more very interesting thing that H.D. Revanna said was that he agreed on camera that these videos are about 4 to 5 years old and somebody is deliberately raking up videos from the past as a conspiracy just when elections are around the corner is what H.D. Revanna is saying. And in that media bite, Pooja, not once did H.D. Revanna deny those videos being true. He said that, these videos are old. Not once he said that they were fake or they were morphed. He only said that they are deliberately being raked up today because elections are around the corner. Indirectly proving that, cases of, that case that was filed against him and his son Prajwal Revanna about sexual abuse could be true is what we, could gather from that statement that H.D. Revanna put out. We need to wait and watch when Prajwal Revanna will be brought back to India from Frankfurt. The SIT team is carrying out its own investigation. They will be speaking to the complainant as well, to all the victims, and after their process, they will be summoning Prajwal Revanna back to India for interrogation.
Stay on with me, Anaga, because to inform our viewers, what precisely are the allegations, the official charges against Prajwal Revanna and the father? We are telling you about the official complaint also here. According to our information, the Bharatiya Janata Party was alerted about Prajwal's sex taint in December 2023, which means other parties, the BJP and the JDS, when the alliance was being formed, knew about these charges, that there is a discontent on the ground over this. Bharatiya Janata Party, according to information coming in, this is what H.D. Kumaraswamy has also said on camera, that Bharatiya Janata Party initially wanted to drop Prajwal Revanna. He's already been an MP. They wanted to drop him as the next candidate, but it was Deve Gaura, the grandfather of Prajwal Revanna, who's also, of course, a big leader, former Prime Minister. He took the final call on Prajwal and he decided to stick to Prajwal Revanna. Now, his reasoning was that, that because he has the victory factor, he will win, so it is best to ensure that he is regained and continues. It's the big war over this sex abuse taint on Prajwal Revanna right now. Now, what is unfolding amid all of this, remember, is that initial response involving his son of H.D. Revanna, they've dismissed the videos. They are saying this is all a pre-planned conspiracy against them, claiming that a 5-year-old videos are being used to target Prajwal Revanna. In the midst of this controversy, JDS leader H.D. Kumaraswamy, who's also a family member, who by relationship is an uncle to Prajwal Revanna, and he has said that he distances himself from this issue, but he's claiming BJP wanted to drop Prajwal Revanna as a candidate. Ultimately, H.D. Devegowda took the final decision. But it's not just him. BJP leader Devaraje Gowda revealed BJP had prior knowledge of Prajwal's alleged misconduct, but ignored the warning signs. And we are told, according to information, the pen drive belonging to Prajwal Revanna has about 3,000 sleazy videos that are exploitative in nature, recorded by him, of which the Congress party somehow got alerted, and they are using this as a Brahmastra weapon against BJP during elections.
मैं पूछना चाहूंगी अभी जो है ये प्रज्वल रेवन्ना जो है वो जर्मनी चले गए, जर्मनी भाग गए। आपको क्या लगता है कि पूरी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की गलती है इसमें?
नहीं, हमारा गलती नहीं है, वो हमारा पार्टी नहीं है, वो तो जेडीएस अलग पार्टी है। लोग का क्या है और एक सीरियस इश्यूज क्या है, उसको प्रज्वल रेवन्ना वो डिस्क्वालीफाई किया इलेक्शन केस में। वो मैं उसका सामने केस लड़ाया था, उसको मैं पिटिशन कर दिया था। मैं तो पिटिशनर है, प्रज्वल रेवन्ना का अपोजिट इलेक्शन पिटिशन में मैं अपोजिट कैंडिडेट है, मैं पिटिशनर है। 2019 वो इलेक्शन में वो तो कन्विक्ट हो गया प्रज्वल रेवन्ना को, वो डिस्क्वालीफाई हो। इसका बाद वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में आके स्टे ले लिया। उसका परिवार का पूरा ऊपर का पास एचडी रेवन्ना, उसका फादर एचडी रेवन्ना और एक एमएलए ए मंजो और एक इसका ब्रदर है सूरज रेवन्ना, ये 4 आदमी का डिस्क्वालीफाई हो गया। इसका रेवन्ना का बूथ कैप्चरिंग में मिनिमम 3 इयर्स मैक्सिमम 5 इयर्स कन्विक्शन हो गया, जेल में जाना पड़ेगा। उसको बचाने के लिए तो मोदी जी का पास आ गया वो लोग।
ಯಾವ ಥರ ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆದರಿ ಓಡೋಗನಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಏನಿದೆ ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವುದೋ 4 ವರ್ಷ 5 ವರ್ಷದ್ದು ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಐತೆ, ನಾನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು SITಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ.
ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ನಾಯಕರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಕುಟುಂಬ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಹಾನ್ ಭಾವರು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋರ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ತರ್ತೀರಿ? ದೇವೇಗೌಡರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ತರ್ತೀರಿ? ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹೆಸರು ಯಾಕೆ ತರ್ತೀರಿ? ತಪ್ಪು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇನು ವಹಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಿಜ SIT ರಚನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. SIT ರಚನೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ಲೇ, ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ಲೇಬೇಕು.